40 degrees colder than regular ice.
So how are you gonna burn yourself cold?
Frostbite, it's like, it kills your skin, much like a burn.
Easy,
Yeah.
that'd be straight.
Okay, all molecules are moving, they're vibrating, all right? These are vibrating, but as they try to sublime, as they try to leave the solid state and go into the gaseous state, because we're at a much higher temperature, this basically sublimes at negative 109 degrees Fahrenheit, which we're way above that. We're probably like at 60-something in here right now. And so those particles are moving faster and faster, trying to escape.
Why isn't it vibrating anymore?
Well, sometimes it's like the surface of it gets kind of solid and it doesn't work very well. So I wanted to see, sometimes I can. So the vibrations, what is sound? You know what sound is? Vibrations. And so how cold that is. If you guys each want to try it, just don't touch the dry ice. But if you want to, there we go. You just have to sometimes get it. You just try to.
Why do you get to try it?
You,
I wanna
you,
feel
I
how
said you all
cold it
can.
We'll see if I can go in.
Here, I'll hold it still for you.
Want to keep going?
Yeah.
God, that was
Psych.
good.
Okay, you want to try?
Good. Very cool.
It gets harder to go in, right?
Yeah.
Because as it gets colder,
What if you just said
it's not good. Yeah, you can do that. As a matter of fact, I'll do that with a hammer in a minute. I'll push the hammer. Yeah, it gets too
Really?
cold to.
Let me try.
Look, it left a mark.
Yeah.
Push it hard.
All right,
Yeah,
sit,
put
sit,
it on a
sit.
spot. It has.
Alright. I'm doing that next. It's not freezing.
Ow. Keep going. Don't touch it, but you're gonna get.
Okay, now it may
All
get
right, try
stuck
it.
in there. Can you pull it out? There you go.
You
Wow,
won't.
hold up, hold up. God, it's still cold.
Yeah, your breath's not just gonna.
There, now I'm warm. I'm trying both ways.
What?
It's just.
Try the other one.
Yeah, try the other one.
Look, you're gonna crack it.
Don't. Yeah, don't. Get the finger too cold.
Do the other one. Do the other one.
I will.
Can
I
you still
will.
feel it?
Yeah,
I can still
it's
feel it. You have just as long as that.
No.
Can you flip it over? I'm going to make a perfect print of this guy's face.
No, use your finger. Your pointer finger. Your pointer finger. Don't let go.
Hold it too. I was
You made a perfect
Don't
face, though.
listen to me.
Look.
Yeah, it's hard
God.
to see. It's kind of hard to see.
Let me see. Let go.
Okay.
Let me see.
God, that hurt. That was good though.
Okay, so this is just regular room temperature water.
That's cold.
It's gonna.
Alright, man, this is my quarter.
Whoa.
Okay, so this is why it's often used at Halloween time, because we get cool stuff going here. What time do we get out?
So
25, I think. Oh, why didn't you put the cloth back up there? Okay, now,
Let it
where's the gas going?
let it come out on the ground. On the ground.
Okay.
No, let it come
Where's
out.
the
on
gas going?
In the air,
It is? Well, yeah,
You're supposed
but
to-
what direction?
towards Joder.
It's going up.
See that?
My hands and my fingers numb. Ice, water,
See that?
What kind of ice?
dry ice,
And what's it made out of?
Carbon dioxide.
ice,
No, what's it made out of?
water, H2O.
There's gotta be something
Read
else.
that? Did you read that?
Carbon dioxide.
Yeah, you just told, I knew you did too. Okay, carbon dioxide, CO2. Same thing you put in soda to make it fizz,
Does it
okay?
like evaporate fast? Or?
It sublimes, okay? That means it's going from a solid to a gas. It's
Yeah.
never a liquid, that's why we call it dry ice, yes, pretty fast. I mean,
So people have to like refill their stuff a lot?
yeah, it says up there, 5 to 10 pounds in 24 hours. So like, I'd have to look at my receipt. I'm guessing I have about 5 pounds here. In 24 hours, it'll be gone.
What do you mean gone?
It'll all turn to
gas.
gas. Right now, this will never melt. That's what dry ice means. There'll never be a liquid. I can let this sit here. It's never gonna
When you
melt.
put it in the sun, it's not gonna melt.
No, it's gonna
What
just
if you
turn into a
put
gas.
fire?
It's gonna disappear. Same
Fire.
thing.
Is it the same as evaporation or
No.
is it different?
It's
Put
different.
it on the fire.
Okay. Yeah. Oops, that one went out, didn't it?
It won't melt.
So what if you covered this? Would you burn yourself?
Yes.
The gas itself isn't really
It's
cold.
all colder.
But the
Gas-
beaker,
the
well, that doesn't want to stay lit, but
beaker?
that's okay. We don't need. Yeah, Phil.
So, but like if you covered it like this,
Okay, now here's a question. Is this
Do a
100%?
tornado.
Okay.
And then, so when you mix,
Oops. So what's it do?
Because it's like
goes
windy.
out.
It's
Okay.
like windy, that's why.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
hold on, let me feel where the wind's coming from.
Okay.
I'm
What?
saying that makes it like, you know what I mean? No, you ain't listening.
I understand. You're saying it's because it's
Talking
like
out of the net.
blowing.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Stop.
Pretty sure you spilled
Okay.
some of the
Here, we'll
water
just.
on it.
Yeah. No, the water's on the side. But okay, let's just do this.
I'm trying to feel that. If it's blowy. What did I tell you?
I think you need to move back a little bit.
No, I think it's going right on top of it. And it's
Yeah, it's not going clear down.
now here's a question. Is it moving like that because there's air currents in the air? Or it's just,
Okay, I
that's
didn't
the
pour
way the
any
gas
water that time.
evaporates?
It's moving that way because,
I'm
guys,
not about to touch it, man.
What? for something to go, like hydrogen or helium, if we could see it, would go up because it's less dense than air. So CO2 must be, what? Is this going up? Is this going up, guys?
No, it's going down.
Right, so what's that tell me? Compared to air, what's the density of CO2? You know, you need,
It's
I
less.
ain't paying attention. What's
Okay,
the
if it's
CO2?
less,
I
it's-
heard you.
if it's less, it's gonna,
No, it's more. I'm sorry.
right, hydrogen and helium make things float. They go up because they're less dense than air. CO2 is a gas that is more dense than air. I can pour it. I couldn't pour helium or hydrogen, they just want to go straight up, but I can pour this. And CO2 also extinguishes fire, it smothers fire. Have you ever heard of a CO2 fire extinguisher?
Yes.
Okay, that's what it does, it suffocates the fire, basically. Okay,
Ma'am, can I do something?
where's the quarter?
He has it.
Okay,
He's trying to
I
steal
have
it.
one more question.
Okay,
So this is 100%.
uh-huh.
And when you make carbon dioxide with like baking soda or baking powder, how do you determine the percent of CO2 you get from it?
Well,
Does it depend on the ratio of each, or
well, you would be getting, I mean, you'd be getting, what you were making that CO2 would be 100% CO2.
bubbles would be
Right,
100%.
right, yeah.
so you either have CO2 or
Right.
you don't?
Right,
Okay.
yep.
Cool, guys.
Okay,
That's
so
my body.
let's see
Wait.
what we can do here.
Can you put a light thing right next to it? Can you put
The match.
Just light it, you mean to put it there?
What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
just if you put it right next to it?
Next to it or on him?
We should put it on.
She's not gonna let it.
It's gonna go out because it's so cold.
Nothing.
You get like
So
three
it's
units.
so pointless.
Maybe hold it upside
Yeah,
down.
what
If
if
you
you-
hold it and put it on the bottom of it or something.
It's gonna burn
Do
her.
what?
No,
If
never
you
mind.
put the thing,
If you hold it with the tongue, you put it under, and you just hold it
Oh,
under.
you almost.
I almost did. Yeah. Wasn't thinking.
What happened?
What, just,
She almost grabbed it.
well, it's gonna smother it.
Oh yeah.
The gas is
guys are-
gonna smother it, so.
You guys have
Okay.
got the most pointless.
you know what? You just
You would give her an idea. Is this one of those rocks that, like, when you break it, it goes straight in half? What are those called? I learned it in
Yeah, I don't know, because I
Earth
don't know
science.
aerospace science, but like has something about its cleavages.
Oh, something like that.
Yeah, I
and
don't
it
know.
goes like
It has-
cuts right in the middle,
Yeah,
like perfectly
I don't know
straight.
what that is called.
So, ma'am, could a little piece,
Yeah, it's
just like
floating
that.
on, it's floating on the gas. That's
So
why
a
it does
little
that.
piece like that could just give you
frostbite.
frostbite.
Yeah,
Can I hold it like this?
no,
No, wait, wait, wait.
no.
Wait.
I don't want you touching it. Okay, quit touching it, guys.
Man, I'm just moving it.
What did I say?
You got
Quit
it,
touching it. Okay,
If you touch it with your key.
don't touch it at all. Okay.
Stop rolling it, bro. looks like a mini little.
How come that one's making less vapor, smoke?
And it's not with that
Oh,
much.
there it goes. Ooh.
That'd be hot. I want it to look like
So,
disappear.
even though it's burning hot, it ain't gonna melt.
It's just gonna explode.
Okay.
Why soap?
You'll see.
Yeah,
That's what she's gonna tell you. You'll see.
You know me pretty well, huh?
I've memorized.
Blue? Use the big one, yeah. Blue?
No, it's not.
No, yes it is, yes it is.
It's not gonna fit.
How much you wanna bet?
How much you wanna bet?
I'm telling you, she didn't, she's... Oh,
I'm gonna put it all in. It doesn't matter if it's a big chunk or not.
Oh. Oh. And then doesn't that get
Put
hard?
that big one.
Or not hard,
Nope.
but like you can like pick it up.
Nope.
You tripping. It's soap.
In a minute, I'll
Can I
let you
touch
do
it?
it. No, in a minute. It's hot right now. Okay.
So why you
Why you
touch
touch
it?
it?
For real.
Because I have done it enough, I kind of know how hot it is and how careful to be. I'll let you guys in a minute. Okay? It's hot because the water's
Smells
hot,
good.
but the CO2 is going to cool it off. The soap catches the carbon dioxide bubbles. That's why we're getting so many. Okay?
No, that's hot.
Okay. In a minute, I'll let you touch it. Okay?
Whoa, look what she's doing. Look what she's doing.
Oh, leave it.
Do it again. See how far you can go.
Okay.
You
If you
mean?
poke those bubbles,
Let me poke
get some
it.
gas out. Okay, poke some of those bubbles. Now you can touch it. I think it's cool enough.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Okay.
Ow, ow, ow.
I'm not trying to hold it.
Is there anything else you want me to film in?
We're gonna make a bubble in here if you
Watch
want
this,
to do
ready?
that. Get that ready.
That one's. Wait, do you
Wait,
mean
what's
like
up?
the one that you did last year with like
Oh,
a?
yeah,
I'm
we
about to see how high.
Alright.
Nah, I'm next. I'm next. You suck.
Oh, watch this, watch this. You
Ready,
get
ready,
this?
ready, watch.
You get this, and then you go like this.
Are you playing? Oh! Oh! Ready? Ready, ready, look.
Yeah, I know. I just did that. I'm LeBron.
Dude,
bro,
I'm about to
watch.
get a high,
Hey,
bro.
look.
Don't mess up
Alright.
my
Oh,
shit.
excuse me. Look at LeBron.
Don't mess up my stuff.
You gotta squeeze it first.
Oh!
There, it's running out.
Nah, it's good, bro. Look at that.
I'm on. Not yet.
LeBron.
Alright, let me get some of that. No,
gotta-
there you go. You're supposed to.
Okay.
Wait, this is fun, man.
Get a little water here.
I'm trying to play with it. Give me that, boy.
Play with it. Come on.
Okay, this is just water. I'm gonna put some dry ice in here.
Alright, at least we're cleaning our hands, bro. With the soap.
When it falls together.
That's not gonna work.
Did nothing. Oh, that one did.
Oh, no. That's it. It's gone.
Okay. Now, this is just a piece
With
of
the water,
cloth.
ice is
Guys, look
clear.
over here now, please.
I'm looking.
Piece of cloth in some soapy water. And my goal is going to be to get a layer of soap film across the top of this bowl. Sometimes it takes me a couple tries.
Oh, close, but let's go.
Wait, so what is
She's gonna make a soap bubble. It's gonna be a huge bubble. There it is.
Oh, you messed up.
She didn't mess up, stupid. Ooh. Man, if I had my phone right now, I'd be recording that. Well, you know, I can't have my phone with scuba. I don't break rules.
Good to hear that, Mr. Gilbert.
Look, it's pushing pressure against my hand. I feel it. Trying to.
That's sick.
You're so cool. No.
Oh, if you do that,
Actually-
bro.
No, stop.
No, man.
Don't do it. Okay. Watch, when you let go, it's about to pop now.
Nope. Ah, she knows this.
Now what happens if we put a lighter right there? Or a match?
Obviously, it's gonna explode.
Yeah, it's
No,
so.
it won't burn.
Oh,
There we go.
That was dope.
Okay. All
Can I
right.
try?
Can you do that again?
I'll
Can I
do
try? Let me try.
One more.
Wait, can you put more in there? So just.
It's probably, the bubble's not gonna get any bigger, probably. I mean, you can get a little bigger. It's more because of the surface area and the size of the bowl that there's a limit to how big that'll get. So putting more in won't necessarily make the bubble any bigger. Sometimes if it's got too much, it'll pop before you want it because of all the activity.
How does that work? How do you make a bubble?
How'd
Just
you
a thin layer of soap.
How'd you put your hand in it? Can I try?
Yeah, you can't have any bare skin. It has to have soap on it. So don't, make sure you get soap. Here, get
Let me
soap
try.
as far as you
Oh,
can.
I want to try it too.
Okay? And then don't put your finger in past where you have soap, so just put it in a little ways. Okay? Now hold yours there. Let's see if everybody can get their finger in. Just leave it there. Okay?
It's gonna pop before that.
Just as long as you have soap on your finger.
Oh, you messed it up.
I messed it up. I bumped somebody, so I may have. I should have gotten a picture of that. We just have video.
Do it again.
Oh, well.
Yeah, we gotta do that
Yeah,
one.
do one
Okay,
more.
one more and I'll get a
Wait,
picture.
can we move
okay?
this over here so
Yeah,
all of us
yeah.
can put it in?
So all four of you, let's get it on the end. Here, I'll just move this to the end, that's fine.
Yeah.
Right. That's good. Styrofoam.
Vibrations.
Vibrations, okay? So the particles are vibrating, all right, in the solid. All particles vibrate. So what happens is, as they want to sublime, they're going to move faster, they're going to vibrate faster. So then when we put something else against it, let's see if I can get it. Sometimes you can get it to really squeal, but
I think we should try that now.
when you put something against it, it causes the metal in there to vibrate and we get sound. I don't know why we're not getting. Okay, go ahead and try with cord.
Don't be scared.
I got cold quick.
It got cold real quick. It's the one real quick.
Okay.
Nice stuff.
Now, is carbon dioxide more or less dense than air?
More.
It's lower dense because it's falling
Yeah, is it
down.
going up like hydrogen or helium would? No, it's going down, all right? We can
I
pour
got a
it.
quarter of my own.
We can pour it, okay? Because it is more dense than air. Oops.
Ooh, it burns.
Film of gas and it's floating on there. Now look what, right, we have a film of gas and it's floating on there. Now look what, okay, did you see what that did?
Yes, it won't put
Okay,
it out.
it puts fire out. It basically suffocates it. So if you've ever heard of a CO2 fire extinguisher, that's why. It puts out, won't support combustion. Basically, it replaces the oxygen.
Is it cold?
Someone else want to try?
Also wants to try.
Who else wants to try quickly?
Boss wants to try.
I can do it. Starts to stain.
Oh, I have an idea. Hey, Web.
It just explodes that. I'm gonna break you.
Water.
Oh.
Fancy experiments.
Ah, dang.
How day
At first I thought it
Is
was
that
something
cold? It
different.
smells so good.
It's hot because it was boiling. Now, in a minute, I'll let you touch it once I decide it's cool enough.
It's really
Oh,
is
all
hot.
those gonna
Oh, yeah,
pop
it's
into
hot.
smoke.
Yeah. So the
Oh.
soap bubbles are catching the carbon dioxide gas, so you can
It
see.
smells good.
Okay.
What?
Got volcano.
Whoa, Kiner.
Oh. Sick.
Ooh.
Oh,
That looks like
sick
Marge
guy.
Simpson.
Someone
That
pop,
looks like
pop
Marge
a bubble
Simpson.
on the side there. Okay, so you can get the gas out.
Actually, it's
Okay,
hot.
you can touch it now.
Whoa, look at me. You see that?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, right there.
Oh, thanks for ruining it for everyone else.
Let's go, take a scoop.
Yeah, you just gotta take the scoop like this. So far, I feel like a little kid.
Take a scoop and pop it.
Oh, this one is not
Ah, okay, this is too cool.
Make it nasty.
They should sell this as like a child's toy.
Howdy.
That's so true. Eat one.
Bet. Bet.
I'm gonna eat
This is
one.
like a stress reliever.
Usherman, you just ruined everything, man.
It's just straight up a stress reliever.
You agree? Stretch lever right here.
No, I'm eating it.
Oh, that's still dope.
That's dope. Dope on the road.
This is totally child's play.
This is great.
Really
I
sounds
wish I
like
had-
a witch's cauldron.
I wish I had dry ice when I was a child.
You can get it like King Supers. You have to be 21 to buy it though.
Hersey.
What do you have to be 21 to
I
buy?
think
I
18.
have no idea.
At least
Yeah, you have to be
Nice.
18.
This should be.
I'll just be like,
Oh, that
Oh,
didn't
that
go
was
very
cool.
long. I must have too much going in there.
That was cool though.
Sometimes it'll get really,
I think it's
really.
because of my soup pouch.
I also took a picture. No flash.
Oh yeah, you can predict the future. How long is this one gonna last?
2 seconds.
2 seconds. I knew he
Oh,
was going
didn't
to say that. That's
even
why I
know.
said
I
that.
put too much dry ice.
That was basically 2 seconds and shit.
Yeah, that would definitely. All right. How long is this one gonna last?
4
This one's going
seconds.
to last like
3 seconds.
If it lasts
6
30,
seconds.
So,
6 seconds.
3 seconds.
Okay, Rick. It's all right. Once she finishes it, it's gonna
It's
last.
starting.
6
1,
seconds.
too much
2,
weight.
3, 4, 5,
Don't blow it.
6,
Oh, don't
seven,
blow.
I'm sorry.
That's so cool. 9,
Probably the win.
10.
So we're gonna pop it anyway.
Why?
No.
Whoa, you can't?
I said 60 if you didn't hear me.
Oh my. No way.
Okay. Oh,
Backhand.
careful. Don't.
Basketball.
What's gonna happen when it pops?
It's gonna go
Come on,
everywhere.
give me.
No way.
Think about what it's gonna do when it pops.
It's
Think
gonna
about
send.
You're gonna split.
It's
I'm
gonna
like,
be-
That's a good one.
I'll get died from carbon monoxide.
muscle.
Look at the rainbow, yo. That's trippy. Man, that's a good one. It looks like the mushroom from Mario or what.
Oh, goodness.
Yo.
That's a,
Is there a
lasting
map?
a really long time.
Yeah.
30
I think of the
That
6 seconds was a
definitely
little
6 seconds. You can predict the future, Ricky.
Yes,
It's about to go over.
I was right.
It's about to just like take the
Go
entire
over.
This one has probably lasted the longest I've ever had.
as a whole.
Ever? Wow.
Yeah, usually
'cause of my
they do
balance.
not usually
You're
go
welcome.
out
Should've.
so far around the bowl. I've never seen one.
shrinking.
I've never
It's
seen
like-
one. Yeah, I've never seen one do that. They usually stay pretty round. Oh, there we go. So why does it all go out this way?
It's
Through
denser
the
than air.
air. Now, if you guys would like, a few of you at a time, I'll make another one, and if you want to put your finger in the soap, now you have to be careful. You can't put your finger in further than you have soap on your finger. It'll
Oh, because it'll
Yeah.
boil around your finger.
yeah. So you can a couple like 4 of you at a time could try to put your finger in and get it good.
Alright, watch your fingers, Riggins.
Be careful, Riggins.
Be careful, Riggins.
Sorry.
Now he's got it.
I think you just.
My turn. Oh, damn.
That's your fault.